Hey fashionistas, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making beautiful quartz jewelry using my SureBonder glue gun. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hi. Are you ready? Let's make some quartz jewelry.
I chose gold glitter, but you could use any color you want. Try to pick something that matches your crushed glass. If you don't want to make the German glass glitter like I did, consider using some crushed aquarium glass, which you can find at almost any pet store or online. I turned these into necklaces, but they would look just as lovely on a ring blank or a big metal cuff.
I'm going to leave a link in the description to all of the amazing SureBonder products. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to press the notification bell so you know I have a new video, and I will see you next week. Bye.